Shake off the sleep, awakening your English skills. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very intriguing phrase, shake off the sleep. This expression is not only poetic but also packed with meaning and usage that can enrich your English communication. So, let's wake up our linguistic senses and get into the details. Shake off the sleep is a metaphorical phrase that means to become fully awake and alert, especially after waking up from sleep. It's about casting away the remnants of sleepiness and stepping into a state of full consciousness and readiness. But there's more to it than just waking up. It's about leaving behind any sluggishness or inactivity and embracing an active, engaged state of mind. While the exact origins of this phrase are hard to pinpoint, it beautifully captures the transition from sleep to wakefulness, a universal experience. In everyday usage, it can be applied broadly, not just to the literal act of waking up. For example, it can describe preparing mentally for a challenge, overcoming lethargy, or moving past a period of inactivity. It's a versatile phrase that adds color and depth to speech or writing. To truly grasp the essence of shake off the sleep, let's look at some examples. 1. After the holiday break, it took me a week to shake off the sleep and get back into work mode. 2. She drank her morning coffee, ready to shake off the sleep and tackle the day's tasks. 3. We need to shake off the sleep and start taking action on our project. Deadlines are approaching. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts, emphasizing the action of moving from a state of rest to one of activity and alertness. When using shake off the sleep, remember, it's all about context and emotion. It works well in motivational contexts or when describing transitions. Here are a few tips. Use it to inspire action or motivation in others. Apply it when talking about personal development or growth. It's perfect for narratives or storytelling, especially when describing a character's journey from stagnation to action. Shake off the sleep is more than just waking up. It's a poetic way to talk about becoming alert, active, and ready for what lies ahead. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase in your English conversations and writings. Remember, every phrase you learn opens up new ways to express yourself and connect with others. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to shake off the sleep from your English skills and keep learning every day.